guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve this makeup look. I was thinking to do this look a long time ago, and when I received these pigments from Katrin Haruta, I was so inspired. So if you want to know how to achieve this makeup look, please keep on watching. Let's get started. I already moisturized my face using this cream. This is the Vital Plant Cream Nourishing Cream. Next, I'm going to use some primer, and I'm starting with this from MAC Prep and Prime, and I am using this only on the center of my face. And for the rest of the face, I'm using this one, Prep and Prime. This is the Natural Radiance one, Base Lumiere, and this is I'm going to spread it all over my face. Done with this. Next, it's foundation, and the foundation I want to use today is this one from Fenty Beauty. Is this one. I have the color 200, but it's way much more darker than my skin tone, and I am going to mix it with this one from Wet n Wild. This is the Photo Focus foundation, and the color I am using is the Nude Ivory. Next, it's concealer, and I am mixing these two together. This is the Born This Way concealer, and the color I'm using is Vanilla. And the other one is Makeup Revolution, is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour, and the shade is C3. Then powder, and you know my favorite is this one, RCMA No Color Powder. Okay, my mirror, and I am making sure that I have no creases under my eyes. Okay, we make the alien face. Already powdered. Next, I will like to use this eyeliner gel from Inglot. This is the 68 one, and I am going to illuminate my brow bone with this brush. This is the 233 Cream Shader brush from Zoeva. And then I am coming with this Jaclyn Hill palette, Morphe palette, this one. And I am taking the second shade, this one. And I am going to illuminate my brow bone. It's time to start with the eyes, and I am using the same Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And I am starting my makeup using these two shades, this one, and I am combining them. And the brush I am using is this one from Leonardo, is the 13 one. This is a very big fluffy brush, and I am mixing up those two shades, tapping up the excess, and I am applying this in my crease. Okay, I think it's okay. Next, the same brush, and I am taking the darker shade from this palette, and I am using this one and this one mixed with this one. I am mixing them. Okay, next I am taking a smaller brush, and I want the... where are you, my girl? I am taking the 227 Luxe Soft Definer brush from Zoeva. Is the next. Now I want to take this orange mixed up with this one, these two together. Okay. Next, I am taking a smaller blending brush, and I am using the 01331 brush from Day Makeup, and I am using this shade mixed with this shade. Okay. Now I'm taking a smaller blending brush. This is the 0132 double S. This is also a Day Makeup brush. And I am taking the darker color on my Jaclyn Hill palette, this one, sorry, this one. Finish up the both eyes, and then I am applying this Inglot eyeshadow keeper because I want to apply this pigment. This is a Katrin Haruta. This is how they look in the pan, and the shade is SL204. It's a very, very, very nice shade. I already finished both eyes. This pigment, it's amazing. I will show you again. This is the SL204 from Katrin Haruta. Okay, and then I'm using the Inglot 77 gel liner and the Inglot Duraline. This is the mixing liquid for making any cream, everything you have cream waterproof. It's ready. Okay, I'm going to finish up the lower lash line, and I'm taking this brush and this brush. This is the smudger brush, and this is, I think, the pencil brush, and I am taking the darker shades that I use. I'm going to zoom you out. Nice. And let's start with the face to finish it. And I am using this from KatVonD, Shade&Light, and I am taking the first two shades. Next, some blush, and I'm using this brush. This is a very old brush. I bought this on a very weird website and I really like it. And it was so cheap. I like it. And I'm taking those shades. This is a kit from Anastasia. This is the blush kit Radiant. Using this one from Sleek. This is the Cleopatra, I think. No, it's the Solstice one. Okay. And I'm using this brush from Leonardo. This is the 8 brush. I need to do my lips and I want to do something more colorful for my lips, but not too much. It's just because, you know, I have so many things happen here. And I am lining my lips using this Trendy Spirit lip liner in KatVonD. 2-3 lipstick I will show you by the end of this. Nice shade. And in the center I am putting this lipstick. This is the NYX Lingerie and the color is Babydoll. And the lipsticks I use is this one from Boysenberries. This is the color Pixie. And the other one is NYX Liquid Suede Metallic Matte, and this is the code. Okay, and the last is this one from NYX Lingerie. I already told you this is Babydoll. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that ring bell button, this way you will be notified every time I am posting a new video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Kisses, and I will see you in my next clip.